Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rashita from my channel Ashita the Lated. Friends, today also in this video I again came with a product review, and the product is large Brai stand or a barbecue stand. As you can see, let me first remove all this. Guys, I got this product from takealot.com and I got this for approximately 490 rand. So similar product will be also available on Amazon. I'll share the both links on my description. If you are interested, you can go and check it out once. So after removing, as you can see, you'll get 4 stand and it is not fixed. You need to fix it off. And here the cover is given with the description. It says depth is approximately 115 mm and it is electroplated grid, and the grid size is approximately 610 cross 315 mm. Here you just need to assemble the legs, and I assembled it, and these legs are also electroplated, and the entire unit height is 600 mm, so it will be comfortable for you. And it is a carbon steel and it has a heat resistant paint. So guys, as you can see in the clips, I am using this Brai stand to prepare my food, and you can see, since it is height enough, I think it is comfortable. Now coming to the quality of the product, whether it's worth to buy or not, according to me, yes, it's definitely worth to buy because the quality of the product is so good and its price is also minimum. So I think, yeah, it's definitely worth to buy. And till now I used this product, I didn't found any defect in this, so I think I will suggest for you guys. So in coming clips, I'm gonna show a video of a food which I prepared using this Brai stand. And guys, if you are interested in buying this product, the product link will be on my description. You can go and check it out once. And that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.